Obstetrics and Gynecology with CK Birla Hospital in Gurgaon. So today let's talk about the benefits of yoga in boosting your reproductive health. Now yoga is not just exercise. Yoga is a way of life. It not only involves the asanas or the exercises, but there is also an impact on your balance, your posture and your mental well-being. The deep breathing exercises also help you in improving your mindfulness and reducing your stress levels. Now, as we all know, stress and anxiety are the most common reasons with which people have a difficulty in getting pregnant. So if you reduce your stress levels by regular yoga, regular deep breathing, mindfulness, it helps relax you, it improves your hormonal balance, it reduces the secretion of the hormone called cortisol, and that is how you improve your chances of getting pregnant. Another thing is that yoga also helps improving the blood circulation in your pelvic organs. Specific asanas which help you in improving the blood flow in your pelvic organs help in improving your chances of fertility. Like asanas like the butterfly pose, which is called Baddha Konasana, helps in improving blood flow in that area. Yoga also helps you strengthen your pelvic musculature. Asanas like the bridge pose or the Setu Bandhasana can help improve the pelvic floor muscle strength, and this helps in keeping the uterus, the bladder, the rectum in place. It also helps in your pregnancy, and it also helps in your sexual function. So these helps prevent the back problems in pregnancy and also help you in preventing the possibility of prolapse after delivery. Now yoga is a mild exercise. Very strong exercises sometimes cause inflammation in the body and can affect your body hormones in a bad way. But yoga done regularly and gradually increasing your pace help in improving your overall health. If you do regular yoga, then you also have lesser menstrual problems. A very common hormonal imbalance nowadays is PCOD, which is because of the lifestyle factors, stress, lack of exercise, and regular yoga can actually help correct PCOD. In fact, I have a lot of patients who just change their lifestyle and start doing yoga regularly, and they get relief in their period symptoms and also get pregnant without any medical help. So yoga helps in improving your endorphins. It also helps in reducing your menstrual cramps. It makes the cycle regular and reduces the discomfort in your periods. And if you practice yoga regularly, it also has a very positive impact on your life. It also can treat problems like anxiety and depression, which can eventually affect your hormones and your reproductive health.